Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the feature of replace values inside of Power Query. We have a data here in which there's quarter-wise sales of some products, but in this case, we have some text values as well, besides the numbers, and some errors as well. So we cannot export the text values and errors in our final report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these with some other thing which I want. For this, I will import this data inside of Power Query. I will select this and I will go to data and from table or range. My table has headers, it's okay. I will call my query as replace values. And now I have this data inside of Power Query. You can see there is an error here in Sony Xperia column and 0 and nil here in the other columns. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to select this value, and I will see whether there's any text values here or not. For that purpose, I am going to click this button and mention that the type of data inside of this is a decimal number. In case of decimal number, I have the 0 or text value converted into an error. Here I will go to transform and I will click on replace errors. I will replace error with a 0. I click OK. This error value is gone to a 0. So there's nothing here in Galaxy, so I can leave it as it is. And in HTC Desire also we have this nil, but instead of going through an error replacement process, I will click on this column and I will try to replace it through using a value feature. So I will type nil because I have a nil in the column, and I will replace it with a 0. Make sure that you have to type this, this is case sensitive, you have to type it very accurately. If it replaces it with 0, this becomes a 0 as well. We can change the data type into a decimal number, and finally here in Sony Xperia we can also click here and click replace errors with zeros. I'll click OK, and I will also change this into a decimal number. And since the total is not correct, I will remove the total line by going to home and remove rows, remove bottom rows, remove one bottom row, so that I have a data here besides without any total values. So now our data is free of errors and we can export it back to Excel. For that, we go to close and load to, and I would like to have my data in the existing sheet. I have my data in cell A14 and I will click OK. There you go. So this data is now error free. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.